grandma lied to you. Your teacher lied to you. From the moment we are born, we are brainwashed with one simple rule: work hard, save money. We are told that the bank is a safe place, a vault where your hard work is protected. But this is a fairy tale. In reality, the bank is not a vault, it is a casino, and they are gambling with your money. If you are saving money in a traditional savings account in 2026, you are not being responsible. You are being robbed. You are the victim of a silent crime. Savers are losers. Let's look at the math. This is a $100 bill. In 1990, this bought you a cart full of groceries. In 2026, it represents a bag of organic kale chips and a mild depression. Your purchasing power has evaporated. The bank gives you 0.5% interest, but real inflation, the cost of housing, food, energy, is rising by 7% or 10%. This is called negative real yield. You are losing money every second you hold it. You are running on a financial treadmill that is moving backward. You think you are saving for a rainy day, but you are actually slowly bleeding to death. When you deposit $1,000, the bank doesn't lock it up. They use fractional reserve banking. They lend your money to your neighbor for a car loan at 20% interest. They get rich on the spread. You are just the raw material. You are the battery powering their profit machine. And if everyone went to the bank today to ask for their money back, the bank wouldn't have it. It's gone. It wasn't always this way. Before 1971, money was tied to gold. Money was scarce. But then Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. He cut the link. Since then, the government can print as much money as they want to pay for wars, welfare, and bailouts. Pandemic? Print money. Market crash? Print money. The printer goes brrr. This is basic supply and demand. When you print trillions, the dollars in your pocket become trash. Inflation is not an accident. It is a hidden tax. It transfers wealth from you to them. Let me prove it to you with a story. Meet Saver Sam. He works 9 to 5. He saves every penny. Meet Debtor Dan. He doesn't save cash. He borrows money to buy assets. Sam puts $50,000 in the bank. He feels safe. Dan uses $50,000 to buy a $250,000 rental property. 5 years later, the inflation storm hits. The government prints trillions. Sam's $50,000 is still $50,000, but now it buys half as much. He got poorer by doing nothing wrong. But Dan? His house price went up to $350,000. Inflation pumped up his asset. And his debt? It stayed fixed at $200,000. He pays the bank back with cheaper, inflated dollars. Sam played by the rules and lost. Dan exploited the system and won. The system is rigged to destroy savers and reward debtors. So, what is the solution? Should you just spend it all? No. You need to change your identity. Stop being a consumer. Start being a capitalist. Stop hoarding cash. Cash is trash. Cash is for emergencies only. You need to convert your labor into assets that cannot be printed. Buy stocks. You own a piece of a company that raises prices with inflation. Buy real estate. They aren't making any more land. It is a hedge against the printer. Buy Bitcoin or gold. Limited supply wins over infinite supply. The rich borrow against their assets to get tax-free cash. They never sell. Stop trying to save your way to wealth. You can't save yourself rich when the currency itself is broken. The game is rigged. But once you know the rules, you can stop being the victim. Don't let your hard work melt away in a bank vault. Take control. Buy assets. Become an owner. If this video made you angry, good. Use that anger to wake up. Audit your life. Check your assets. Stop being a loser. Subscribe for more uncomfortable truths.